What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be night fishing for huge snook, redfish, and sheepshead. Let's get to fishing. All right, guys, let's send out our rod. Yeah, he's on. Oh, there we go. Oh, he's pulling. Oh. I fought this fish for 10 minutes, thinking that it must have been a huge gar or a shark. Oh my gosh, it's a monster!
Come on.
Oh! Get him! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh! Holy crap! Oh! Oh my god!
Mira esto, dale, qué clase animal acabamos de coger, mira para esto.
Wait, no. Get it over there. Put it in the net.
Qué clase animal, bro.
I'll put him in the net. Bring him to the...
Ño, se lo cogí yo, cabrón, me picó a mí, pero lo sacaron ellos, los muy desgraciados.
Alright, guys, let's measure him. Wow, 35 inches. This is definitely a PB. Right, thank you.
What a beautiful
POV,
fish.
bro. That was kind of both of us.